Today we're going to eradicate some little nuisance weeds, or I call them whisker weeds because that's kind of what they look like. You can see all these here like growing up in the cracks, and this is a granite that we've got in this bed here. And there was landscape fabric put down beneath this, and then there's a few inches of this granite in this bed around this tree because we could never really get anything decent to grow here, so we opted to go with granite. But every spring, because of all the crap blowing in, and I think you can see all these, we get all these little nuisance weeds. So rather than spray anything, we're just going to try our weed torch and just torch all of these. You can see over here how they are. We're going to give this a try. We had another one of these torches a while back, and there's actually a video of it on our channel that for whatever reason I could never really get it to work that well, so I returned it and got another one. And I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in where I got it or more information about it, so you can check it out. But we'll just set the camera up, let it roll, and take a stab at getting rid of some of these nuisance weeds. And if you have any plants, like we've got some petunias that we potted up, you want to kind of steer clear of them, because even if you're not getting like directly on them or near them, the rising heat can kind of torch these. I found that out already, so we're going to move this pot back a little. So yes, there is a disclaimer. Be sure you're doing this safely. Wear your eye protection, gloves, boots if necessary. And we were doing this after it recently rained. I also had a water hose and a small fire extinguisher handy in case it got out of control. Just, know your area and pay attention to what you're doing. And more than anything, have fun. So I don't know what it is, but there's just something very satisfying about that to me. It's a lot of fun, and it works pretty good. Thanks for stopping by the channel. This has been Dawn with the DIY Collaborative.